CNC Technical Analysis for NYSE, July 3, 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a wild ride with CNC on the NYSE, closing at $33.78 on July 2, 2025, after a staggering 40% drop from $56.65. Volume exploded to 93.57 million shares, crushing the 5 to 6 million average, signaling panic or a major event. The VWAP at $35.32 shows late-day selling pressure. This is a high-drama setup. Let's dive into the charts. The SMA 5 at $50.45 and SMA 20 at $53.72 tower over the price, confirming a brutal bearish break. EMA 5 at $47.86 and EMA 20 at $53.17 agree, with EMA 50 at $54.50 and EMA 200 at $56.73 as distant hurdles. This screams oversold, but bears still rule. MACD is deep red. Line at -249, signal at -145, histogram at -104. RSI 14 at 15.87 is oversold. Williams percent are at -99, 92 is pinned down, and Stochastic K5 at 45.60, D5 at 49.91 is curling up, hinting at a bounce. Bollinger Bands show CNC below the lower band at $44.44, with the middle at $53.72. PSAR at $57.46 keeps the downtrend alive, and ATR-14 at 3.02 warns of wild swings. Chaikin Oscillator at -27.19 million and OBV at -99.04 million confirm heavy selling, but hint at capitulation. Momentum's grim. 10-day at -21.13, ROC 14 at -38.88%. Arun Oscillator at -7.14, with Arun down at 100.00 and up at 0.00, plus ADX 14 at 34.16, scream bearish strength. But CMO at -68.26, Ultimate Oscillator at 20.51, and MFI 14 at 25.64 signal reversal potential. Karma 10 at $54.90 and Tima 10 at $49.03 are above the price, showing no stabilization yet. Key levels: $33.76 is the line to hold. A bounce could hit $40.00 $45.00, where Bollinger and VWAP align. Resistance at $50.00 ties to SMA 5. Below $33.00, $30.00 looms. Bulls wait for RSI 14 above 30.00 or a stochastic crossover. Bears ride the trend, but watch for a short covering spike. CNC's at a crossroads. Stay sharp.